Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica, and my channel is called SE Lifestyle. Part of having a good lifestyle is eating good, honey. So this video is going to be a cook with me. One of you lifestyle lovers asked if I could do a cook with me, so I am going to share my favorite salmon recipe with you guys, and it is so good. So if you love salmon and you love veggies, you will definitely want to stay tuned in for this recipe. Okay, starting with our ingredients, our main entree is the salmon. Our seasonings are lemon pepper seasoning, as well as some garlic salt, and Old Bay, and accent. You can use regular butter, but I am going to use this garlic and herb butter that I picked up from Publix today. And the veggies are going to be Brussels sprouts, shredded carrots, kale, a kale mix, and spinach, as well as sunflower seeds, and some balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Okay, lifestyle lovers, first I am going to start by removing the skin off of the salmon. I'm going to start with a knife just to kind of get the corner pulled back, and I am going to pull the rest of the skin back using my hand. I don't typically eat the skin, so I'm just going to go ahead and remove it before I prepare it. Now that I have completely removed the skin from the salmon, lifestyle lovers, I am going to go ahead and cut it in serving size slices and season it with the seasons that I showed you in the beginning of the video. Okay, lifestyle lovers, once I have seasoned and cut the salmon into portions, I am going to simply place it in the refrigerator and move on to cutting up the veggies. The only veggies that need to be cut up is actually the Brussels sprouts. So I'm just going to go ahead and slice them with a knife and rinse them with the rest of the spinach and the kale mix. Okay, lifestyle lovers, once I have thoroughly rinsed off my veggies, I'm just going to place them in a large saucepan, only using the remnants of from the water that was used to rinse them. That is what I'm going to use to steam them. I'm not going to add any additional water. So I am going to go ahead and add the garlic and herb butter, and then my staple seasonings that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. If you have ever seen a cook with me, I use these seasonings every single time that I cook. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I actually piled the veggies a little bit too high, so I am going to go ahead and remove some of the veggies and place them in a bowl for later use. If you are interested in these glass Purex bowls that I'm using to store the veggies, I purchased these from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I did a haul on them a few months back when I hauled kitchen items, but they're great for storing unused food, uncooked food, or cooked food. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this is pretty much how the veggies look before they have cooked down. I do like a little firmness to my veggies, so I am not going to cook them longer than 15 or 20 minutes. I'll go ahead and cook them and then just remove them from the heat and allow the remaining steam to continue to cook. So this is pretty much what the veggies are looking like after they have cooked for about 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add the shredded carrots to the veggies, stir them up a little bit more, and cook them for an additional 5 minutes. Okay, lifestyle lovers, moving on to the salmon. I am going to cook the salmon in the air fryer. Now, if you have never had salmon in the air fryer, you do not know what you are missing. It is so good, so moist, so juicy, and it only takes anywhere from 10 to 12 minutes. So I am just using some wax paper because I do not want to place them directly on the grill insert for the air fryer. So this just kind of leaves a barrier between the insert and the salmon, and I'm going to add a little bit of butter so they won't stick to the paper, and I'm going to air fry them in the air fryer for about 11 minutes, I believe, and I'm only going to cook 2 at a time. Voila! And just like that, lifestyle lovers, dinner is served. So you want to finalize the recipe by sprinkling sunflower seeds over the veggie mixture, and you want to use the balsamic vinaigrette dressing to drizzle over your salmon as well as your veggie mixture. If you're wondering where I got this recipe from, it was actually one of my favorite choices that was served in our corporate cafeteria. But since, due to COVID, I have not been in the office in months, and I was actually really, really craving this recipe. So I decided to try it at home, and it tastes just as good as it does as when a chef is preparing it. And if you're wondering how good it was, check out my plate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, lifestyle lovers, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great day.